everyone. I am Anjali Kaushik and I am currently pursuing my BTech from AKTU University, and I have been placed in Gemini Solutions at the CTC of 7.5 LPA, and Brain Mentors has been very helpful throughout in my placement journey. He has been teaching me throughout in the MERN stack, be it a MERN stack, be it a Java plus DSA training. Not only just training, I also got some industry level supports such as building industry level architectures, as well as working and integrating with the third party apps. It has been also helpful to me while representing myself, being it in a communicational way, being it in my personalitical way. Brain Mentors has also been teaching me the way to keep up to the work and do our work sincerely. I have done under a rigorous training of near about 8 months, and it has been very helpful throughout my placement journey to keep up to the level and also build my overall personality and development. Thank you.